Hello, this video brought to you by Sankran. Visualforce Beyond Basics Series 6. Use style class like a pro. I hope most of the users and most of the developers sometimes don't like the standard UI styles for buttons, input elements, and output elements, and the standard tabs, toolbar like that. So there are some ways to change the styles. Hope you guys know through CSS, obviously, but uh, the, there is some best practices. Uh, there are quite few number of ways you can do that. Like you can provide the CSS inline, and you can provide in between different tags in the whole page, and you can give the top in the between the head tag or in the just way down the page. There are so many ways you could do, but there are only few good practice one can follow. I'm going to say the good practice basically. Even Salesforce also offers different ways, like I have given those ways here. You could add styles for the raw element like input and select and div span. You can give the styling like this. It will work, but it's not a good practice. Also, you can give inline styling through style attribute for most of the parameter tags, output panel, input field, input text, and for other elements like a tab panel, toolbar, a page block. You can give inline styles through style attribute. Again, this is not advised because in long term it's very difficult to manage. It's just a quick fix, but it won't work in long term. The best practice is to use style class, the third type, which you can give a name, class name, and you can just use that class name to apply the same styling for everywhere. For example, just just I'm going to give a sample example. Um, I need to put a border for all input elements, all output elements, and all output links and buttons, all the standard components. What I could do is very simply I could add style class like style class name using the style class attribute for all the tags. Then in the style, I could simply add like this. Then it simply apply for all the tags automatically. I don't need to copy the styling over and over again. And again, if you want to filter something, or if you want to apply to some tags and not something else, some other depending on some properties. Again, I hope this bit advanced thing. There's something called a pseudo class you can apply, and you can filter. And if you if like there are quite number of ways where you can use the same class name, but you can conditionally apply the rule styles. Even in CSS3, you can use a media query and conditionally apply the styles based on devices. So there are quite a number of ways. So it is a good starting point. It's better to use a single class name for set of properties and then apply to the components. It the one more good thing is it gives a proper theme for your company. So all the text looks in same styling in all the pages, and all the input components may look same in all the pages. So it just gives that consistency across your pages and for a whole company. So it's always a good practice to use single class name, which 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 will be used for a particular set of components. And if you have any problems, just put in comment. And if you want any suggestion or good practice, I will give you some good best practices and some possible solutions if you have any problem. And I think it's better to just avoid other possibilities, other techniques like giving inline and writing this style tag in between the between the components is all bad practice. Just it should be the top of the page with proper class name and pseudo class if it's required. And I'm going to show the demo quickly. Yeah, this is the thing. Like I said, I'm just using the same class name for all these three components, so I could style it with just simply with one class name, not copying the same styles over and over again. Don't forget to like this video and provide your comments or feedbacks below. If you like this video and want to share with friends, please share them. And if you want to notify about my future videos, please subscribe below. Thank you.